In front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files to find an audio one. Just choose audio at the top. Look for your file in one of those apps or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, just click on it to attach it. To add a video one, hit Gallery section instead. Click on your video here to add it. Or select folders, look for it and add it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!